What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be taking a video clip with a transparent background and export it without losing transparency. Simple but very useful to know. Let's get into it. Make sure you have your video with the transparent background on your After Effects timeline. You'll find videos like these within download packs, for example, or you can just make them yourself by using the RotoBrush tool. Check out our video on that for a step-by-step guide on the process. To make sure your background is actually transparent, click the toggle transparency button and see if your background looks like this. If so, click File, Export, and then Add to Render Queue. Below we'll see our render queue appear. Click on the blue letters next to Output module. This is key. On standard settings, our transparency will be exported as black because not all file formats support the feature. For format, select Quicktime, and for channels, select RGB plus Alpha. That's all there is to it. It's probably useful to save these settings though. To do that, click on the downward arrow, choose Make Template, give the preset a name and hit OK. In the future, you can just hit the downward arrow and pick out the preset you just saved. To export, click Output to, select a location to save your file and hit OK. Then, for the big moment, hit the Render button to begin rendering. If you head into Premiere and throw your layer on top of any other layer, you'll see it is now totally transparent. You'll be able to make cool effects, insert sets, memes. Sky's the limit, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, that was it for the day. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more vids. And, as always, catch you all on the next one.